This is the Stratos 3 Pro in the always-on digital display mode. Little twist of your wrist, and you can pop it directly into a full-color AMOLED screen display. Swipe down, you get notifications sent from your phone if you have any. Off to the left, you get widgets that show you everything. There's your activities for the day. You've got calories burned, step count, standing opportunities for every hour if you want. You can set alarms. You can check your heart rate, your blood oxygen, your stress levels directly from the widgets. You've got sleep time from last night, your breathing exercises, weather, and all of that stuff. When you come back here, go this way, you've got your 24-hour heart rate, and your current heart rate will be computed. Blood oxygen will be computed here using red and green diodes. Over here, you got last night's sleep time. No other display until you swipe up, and then you get your last night's deep REM, wake time, and light sleep, I guess. You've also got stress, one-time measurements. It'll tell you what's going on with your stress level. When you come over to the widgets, you're back again, making the full circle all the way around the watch. Swiping up gets you into all these different controls, your brightness, muting your sound, finding your phone, do not disturb modes. You can lock the screen if you want to. You have access to all of your settings, which including your overall brightness that you can make really bright. There you go, because it's an AMOLED screen, or very, very soft for at night too. We run it about half for what we're doing here. Ring vibrations and such. A lot of different things. Your menu styles, grid or list view, how you display your apps. Twist your wrist to see the time. You can get in here and change your sports detection, Bluetooth calling information. You're always on your QR code, always on screen, and reboot, power off, and reset, all in the settings. Finally, when you press this button, you get into all of your activities. Your health activities are here, all put together. Buzz is your telephone usage, call history, contacts, and dial pad. Your clocks or alarms and stopwatches and things. You've got your different workouts in here. They're all set up with GPS in this watch, of course, for walking and running, cycling. All that will tie into GPS. And as I mentioned, the big difference between the Pro and the regular is that you can transfer that trace of your route directly to the app, and from there you can move it over to other apps if you want to. Big thing for folks who want to do that. Your sports records are available in here, and you can look them over. You've got reminders, a music player, watch faces. Again, you can change the overall watch faces from 2 stock faces that are available, and one that you saw I put in as a custom face. All in all, it's a really nice watch. It's pretty much the same as last year's Stratos 3, but the Pro version is out now. It's got Bluetooth calling, like I said, a really nice band on it, orange band with a silver body, or this gunmetal colored body with the black bands, and it's a Stratos 3 Pro. Check it out.